Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Tarot Instincts, and this is Neha Agrawal. I am again with a new video for the birth number 4. So people who are born on any date such as 4, 13, 22 or 31 of any month, then your birth number is 4. The number 4 is ruled by planet Rahu. In English, we say planet Uranus. So what is Uranus planet? It is not actually a planet. It is a north node and a south node. These are the nodes in the celestial body. We consider them as a shadow planet. So they doesn't have their own identity. They are the shadows of the, to whichever house they sit in the birth chart, they take the shadow of that planet. Now, what are the characteristics? Now, coming to the question like how to relate with the planet to the birth number and take out the attributes so that it becomes easy for you to even memorize and be more creative when picking out the qualities or picking out the negative attributes. Birth number 4, again, it is a smoky planet. It is a black planet, a shadowy planet. So definitely this person, because we all know that in our Vedic astrology, we denote our planet Rahu, which is we call planet Uranus. Please excuse me if I say Rahu, because in our Indian astrology, in our Indian numerology, we speak planet Uranus as Rahu. So if by mistake or out of a habit I speak up that Rahu, then please consider it as planet Uranus. Now planet Rahu, it is a very smoky planet. It is the head of a devil and it represents our mind, it represents our intellect. People who are born on birth number 4, they are highly organized. They have a very powerful reasoning and a logical reasoning one. Such people, birth number 4 people, are very focused, they are very organized, and they are very argumentative also at times, because their arguments are not based on unsaid reasons or without any facts, but actually it is based on the factual reasons. Whatever they speak, there is a meaning behind it. When we talk about the head, that the birth number 4 in their entire life suffer from some sort of dissatisfaction in one or the other area of their life. They never get the credit of whatever they do. No matter how hard work they do, no matter how much they struggle to reach the heights of the success, still they do not get the credit of their efforts. Their efforts are not recognized, it is not appreciated. Such people, birth number 4 people, are very traditional. I won't say they are atheists. There are chances that such people are atheists, but not all. But yes, I would recommend them that they should at least be little spiritual. With the spiritual, I mean that they should learn to meditate, they should work on their crown chakra, they should work on their third eye chakra. Now, when I talk about their untraditional being, what I mean by that, they are untraditional. So, I mean that they do not follow the path normally the people follow. I mean, they won't like to go for a doctor or an engineer or do MBA or something. They will always pursue a career which is completely different, which normally people doesn't opt for. So they choose the untraditional way. They choose something different, what the family doesn't support. Maybe high chances in their entire family, the person might have done something so beautiful or something so extraordinary that their entire hierarchy no one has done. So that is also possible with birth number 4. Now, birth number 4 are very organized also. They doesn't like unorganized things. They like everything on time. They like everything being disciplined. They like to be disciplined and they cannot handle the people, or they cannot take it if the people is unorganized or if they are not disciplined. They get frustrated very easily. Such people do a lot of hard work. They really work hard a lot. But here is a tip from my end, that you should go for smart work, because if you want to get the credit of your efforts, you need to be little smart rather than being hard work. Next, if I talk about the career, what career best suits them, the best career for them is, because planet Uranus is all about mind and intellect. it is an air element, so definitely in our tarot we consider that air element. And here we can say, because in the Loshu grade you can see that the 4 number is placed in the top left corner. When you will learn about the planes in the upcoming videos, when I will talk about the planes, then you will understand that the 4 number is coming up. It is meeting because of the thought plane and because of the mental plane. So such person have the original ideas. Their mind is very active. Their mind is really very fantastic when it comes to give a creative ideas and original ideas. Their ideas are very unique. I was talking about their career. So yes, the best career for them is any work that is related to mind and intellect. So a detailing one, where we need to be very detailed, where we need to be very detail oriented, that work will best suits them. Such as computers, technology, such as any work related to software, medicines. These works is very good for them. This career will definitely suit them and is best for according to their birth number. If I talk about their married life, so yes, as I said, married life is also struggling, love life is also struggling, and they struggle in most of every aspects of their life. So yes, they too suffer in their married life also. So they need to be very peculiar when choosing about their compatible partner or getting into a business with someone. So make sure that you are not making a permanent relationship with number 4 or number 8. Why is that? I have already said you in the previous video what does I mean by permanent relationship and a temporary relationship. So please avoid making a permanent relationship with 4 number and 8 number birth numbers. Other than this, the best compatible numbers for them is number 1, number 6 and number 7. They are good compatible for them because these numbers are very in harmony with each other. This will suit them. Also, a little tip from my end that you should start meditation, because this will really help you to calm you down, because since you are using your brain too much, you are using your mind too much, your meditation practice will definitely help you to calm down. So these are the tips from my end. This is all about birth number 4. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and comment in the comment section. We'll meet you in the next section of this video where I will talk about birth number 5. Until then, Jai Shri Krishna.